Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thanks for watching. So Frank here. Please subscribe, please like this video. If you haven't already, it greatly helps the channel and I really appreciate it. So today's video is going to be about jamming your guns on purpose. Hear me out. So one thing that people don't practice, myself included really, is jamming your gun or how to unjam a gun. Whether you're in some kind of training situation or for real life. It's good to know in general what you need to do for most jams. I have a Glock. It's clear. The gun's not loaded. Checked it before camera. And what I'm going to do is take a snap cap, which is also known as a dummy round. I'm going to put a piece of scotch tape on it, which will simulate a bloated casing, and it won't cycle. So I'm going to pop it into the magazine, pull back the slide, drop it down, and we're going to intentionally jam the pistol. It's not dangerous because we're not doing it with a live round. No one's ever told me to do this. No one's ever, in a training class said, hey, why don't you go ahead and practice jamming your gun with a snap cap? It was an idea I had years ago, and it's a video I made that's helped a lot of people. So I thought I should make it again and maybe put an emphasis on practicing it. So if you like this, please give it a like. If you don't like it, thanks for sharing. All right, so here we go. All right, so what we're going to do is we'll take this dummy round, we'll load it in. Just like this, into the top of the mag, load the mag into the pistol, fingers off the trigger, pull back, we'll drop it, and you guys can see, barrel and everything sticking out, slide, didn't rack the whole way, right? So we'll drop the mag, dummy rounds out, flip this thing upside down, and we'll push in a forward motion onto the butt of the gun. And we'll pull it out that way. So you guys can see the round just comes right out. The whole point is just to periodically do this, even once even, just to kind of get a feel for it. So again, and there we go, we're jammed again. So we'll drop the mag. And that's it. We got the dummy round out. That's it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. Not much to it, just an idea. So feel free to try it, see what you guys think. And I hope this video helps you guys. Thanks.